Hello and welcome to Participation in Government. My name is Doug Pereira. I've been teaching at Canandaigua Academy since 2001. I've been teaching overall for almost 25 years. I'm really excited to teach Participation in Government this year. I just want to point out on this slide, particularly my contact information, that you can reach me pretty easily through Brave Square to search for Doug Pereira. You can also use school email too, and follow me on social media. Um, Available times, these are my office hours, and I just want students aware of that they can meet with me on Zoom if they have questions, they want to go over things, they're not sure how to get caught up. I'm very available to help them out. The course itself, we're going to look at a number of topics. Of course, this is an election year, so we'll be looking at that. We'll be looking at the role of government at federal, state, and local levels, the role of politics, the role of policy in how we are governed. So we're going to look at a variety of things that I think will help students be better prepared as citizens. In terms of grading, most of our grade comes from assignments. I just want to hit that. So if students are doing their work, they're going to be in really good shape. Really, as seniors, you've got two big things to be successful in this class, which is a graduation requirement. One is to come to class on your in-class days and to do your work on your remote days, as well as just get your assignments done on time, and you'll be in great shape. I just want to take a second to go to our Schoology page, and it's pretty simple. Anytime students do want to meet with me and they made an appointment, this would be the link where they could go to meet me on Zoom. We do have a weekly folder. We'll sometimes have in-class assignments there, but every week we will have a weekly assignment, and students will get their own copy of a Google slide deck that is really like a workbook. So it has recommendations on when they should get work done. And there's really three parts: current events, which sometimes might be work on a political cartoon or based on an article, and then vocabulary. And so looking up some terms and getting familiar. And then finally, in quiz that's open book, really. They can look anything up for it. And if they do those three things every week and they're participating in class, their grade's going to be really good. Um, we also have a resources folder. I do keep class recordings in there. So if you missed a class, you can look at the recording. I also do that on Zoom Live. So anytime on a remote day that you want to Zoom in for class and just check in, or you missed the previous few days, you can do that. And that's one way you can make up some attendance. And then I put the previous week's folders into this white folder down here. So if you were behind or you missed something, you can go back and get those assignments and get all caught up. That's participation in government, or as we affectionately call it, PIG in a nutshell. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you.